Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to have issue 22 of Build Your Own Disney Dolls House. Okay, so we're starting to fly through these now, starting to catch up. So issue 22, we're doing some more walls and we get some more accessories. So these are the parts in here. As you can see, we do get a little fork in there. Is that a little cup or something? And we get a stool in there as well. We also get a few more walls in there that we're going to have to work on as well. So issue 21, let's flick through. As you can see, we're going to do this wall, get glue all the way around it, and we're going to start connecting these all up, getting the flooring on, all the walls that we've done in the previous issue, get them all down so we've got this corner started just here. Then turning the page, we're going to do the window one, just like that. So we're going to put the wallpaper on the window, again trim that, cut that, get it so we've got these just here. Turning the page, then we can add the mouldings, just like so. Carrying on through, basically the same as the last issue, so we've got these three left over, just like that, and that's how our doll's house is looking. Really good at this point. We're getting it coming right out now. So this will be really big after this issue. It's going to come to about here, so I'm going to need to make some room on the desk here for it. So yeah, let's, without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. So let's take a look at our accessories first. We get this little stool, very nice. It does have that sort of cloth at the top there, details on the legs, which is very nice. We also get this little beaker, this little cup, and this fork here as well. So I'm going to keep the fork in the cup just so I don't lose that. Okay, so we're going to use wall number 8 and we're going to get some glue on this. So we're going to be going down this edge here, no, down this edge here, and this edge here. We're going to get some glue on there. So that one, we can turn that over. We can put some glue all the way down this edge as well. We're just going to skip these two tabs at the bottom here, so don't put glue on them because they're going to come through the bottom of the flooring. So we ain't going to need any glue on that. Last little bit. There we are. So now we can bring in our doll's house and we're going to attach this to the side. Okay, so you might not be able to see this very well, but I've got my doll's house. This is the frozen side just here. This is going just on the inside of that. Let's just add this in. There we are, that's that on there. Look at the size of that. It's really hard to get that in camera shot, but that is our frozen room here and our next room started here. Now I'm going to apply glue on the flooring, so I'm going to go all the way down this back edge here. That's going to capture that wall just there. So I'm going to put the glue all the way down this edge here. Right, so I've gone ahead and I've done that. I'm going to put that there and I'm going to lower this down on top of there, lining up the tabs and push that into place. So there we go, all the way down, nice and tight. Make sure this wall goes in as well. So if I turn this round now, you might be able to see the actual size. Look at that, that is going to be absolutely massive. So now we're going to add these ones onto here. So we're going to need this one here and this one here. So I'm going to start off with the little one first. I'm going to take my masking tape off of that, and this is going just into this corner just here. So I'm going to apply some glue all the way down this edge here. So let's get that on. Notice I have had to move my camera just to try and get this in camera shot. So we're going all the way down. Don't be shy with the glue, because we don't want this to come apart. It's not asking us to put any in the bottom here, but yeah, I am going to put a touch just on there because it's not asking us to, but I'm going to anyway. So let's get this one on. This one's going just into here. We're going to slide that into there. Really nice, fits nicely, that one does. And now our next one is going to go just here. It's going to meet up with that wall. So again, we're going to take this wall, we're going to apply some glue down this edge here. And I'm also going to put it at the bottom as well. So let's go right in that groove, all the way down. Put some little blobs. And then score that down there. That one I am going to put some on the bottom as well. Let's line this one up. That's going to sit nicely into that. Now we did get these, so I'm going to put one of these on. I want to go that way around. Push that onto there. That's going to hold that exactly where it wants us to have it. So that is all we're going to do with this side of the doll's house for now. But yeah, right, so we've got a couple more walls to do. So we're going to do this with wall number 11, which is up in this corner here. So with that facing up, we're going to have this one this way around into this corner there. So start in the top corner, just like that. Bring that across to where you want it. And then we're going to score this down. Going to take mine in just a touch, like that, to there. So let's go all the way down. That's better. We can trim this edge as well. Let's turn it over. I'm going to run a score line down there so I know exactly where I'm going. We can then take our knife, trim this edge off. There we are, take that away. And then we can cut this window out as well. That's one. And two more. Last one now. Let's pull that all the way through. There we are. Little rip just there. But yeah, that's gone through nicely. So that is that one all done. So now we just need to do exactly the same with the final two walls. So we've got walls 12 and 13. So let's get these on. We'll match them up with the right ones. That one goes there. That one goes there. So do make sure you have the wallpaper the right way around. Go ahead and do these. So I'm going to do this one first because it's nice and easy. There's no window in this one. And then this side here. Goes there to there. We don't need that all the way into the corner. Line that one up. And then go ahead and trim them both. So once you've done that, the last thing we need to do is put the mouldings on. So this one's going to go up here, this one is on here, and this one's on here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them on. So that has all of them on there. So again, I'm going to put a touch of tape just on them, just till they dry. So there you are, guys. We have made that doll's house a lot bigger. Look at that. It's getting all there. We've even got the next 3 walls to go in as well. So I think they'll be going in probably the next issue. And we get our flooring in as well soon. So again, join me again tomorrow. We're going to carry on with this Disney Doll's House marathon with the next issue. So I hope you do enjoy this one and join me for the next one. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.